Hey guys, so this is a video about clutch adjustment on my Bullet Royal Enfield Electra. Okay, that was a bad shot. So here's the clutch lever, and I'm going to start adjusting it now. The reason why I'm adjusting it is there is literally no play on the clutch cable, and also the gears chunk a lot when I try to shift gears. So as you can see here, you can see the clutch cable like literally moving. There's no play at all, and I don't know if I can show it to you. You can see that I'm just touching the clutch, and see the lever there at the bottom. It's just moving at the touch of my finger. You see it's slightly moving. This is just at the touch, which should not be, which is wrong. So to do this task you need two spanners, 12 and 12. That's all you need. Okay, so let's get back to getting it done. Okay, so how does it work? What should you look for when you adjust the clutch? The clutch, when you press it, you see this extension. It is with the clutch totally depressed. In this state, the clutch would disengage and will let you change gears. And when you leave it, it transmits all the power that the engine is producing to the wheels. So it's very simple. So now, why is it that we are doing it today? Is because I'm facing two problems. One, I feel that when the engine RPM is, even though the engine RPM is too high, the power is not getting transmitted to the wheels, which means a little bit of a clutch slippage. And for that, what I need to do is I need to move this bit here a little here, from here just a little here. So I need to adjust these two lock nuts in order to make sure that the clutch is totally engaged. You can see that when I pull it, I'm pulling it, and you can see that there is a little bit of a play here, just a little bit, just a tiny wee bit of play. I think you should be able to see better now. Just a little tiny bit of play. You see that? That should not be there. It should be totally like this. Totally towards this side, in order for the clutch to engage fully, and that's when you get the full power. So I need to adjust that, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this nut a bit, just a tiny bit here, and the nut here I'm going to loosen it a bit. Okay, it was already loose, so that means basically that guy didn't do anything. And as soon as I did that, you could see that it moved a bit. You see this? It was here, and now you see that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and move it to the maximum. This part, you saw that how much movement was there. This is when the clutch is fully engaged. But I'm not going to keep it there. What I'm going to do is, and we need to have a little bit of a slack as well. So there should be a little slack where it should move like this. This should be still, and this should go up and down, up and down. Okay, let me just show it. Okay, so this should go like this. It should move in and out, in and out, in and out. So there was little or no slack basically. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just give it a little notch here, somewhere around here, and we'll lock it up. Need to do a test drive to see how much slack I've got. So if you look at my handlebar now, you see that this is all slack. this slack, do you see? This is this is too much slack. We don't want that much. We need somewhere around about here, just that much, not beyond that. So I'm going to adjust that again. So let me put the camera back on the tripod. Let's get back to the point where we started. So I'm going to loosen these two bits slowly, move it a little to this part here, and let's see the slack again. Okay. I like the slack that I have right now, so I think it should be good enough. So I need to go do a test ride. So you know what I mean. If you're facing problems shifting gears, then what you got to do is you got to move this that side from here, that side. And if you are facing problems with power delivery into the wheels, then you need to push this side, this way for when you have low power delivery, this way when you have problems changing gears. Okay, so it's very simple. So I hope this video helps you